You can just write down the points here. Write down the points here. Okay. For testing, it is a testing. Okay, SAP FI2 SD testings and all. Okay, just write down the points. Okay, those points are first one is create purchase order using transaction code ME21N. Write down that thing. Create purchase order using transaction code ME21N. See, why I am taking all these things? See, based on the material wise only and also based on the ME11 transaction purchase info records based on things only, automatically system will going to find out the net prices and all based on the materials. Okay, you got the thing? So previous classes lo manam even cheptukoledu. See, in previous classes, we didn't discuss anything about the net prices and purchase info records and then next sales information records and all we didn't discuss. Okay, so what we need to do is here, and the next thing here is uh, goods receipt, goods receipt against purchase order using transaction code MIGO. Goods receipt against goods receipt against purchase order PO using transaction code MIGO. Using transaction code MIGO. Using transaction code MIGO. Then third thing is invoice verification. Invoice verification. Invoice verification. That is invoice receipt. Or else you can just give right like this. Invoice receipt using transaction code MIRO. Invoice receipt using transaction code MIRO. Okay, the next thing is check stock balances using transaction code MMBE. Check stock balance. Check stock balances using transaction code MMBE. MMBE. Okay, the next thing is create a sales order using transaction code VA01. Create sales order using transaction code VA01. VA01. The next one is next thing is delivery of the goods. Delivery of the goods using transaction code VL01N. Delivering of the goods using transaction code VL01N. VL01N. 01N. The next one. The next thing is billing document using transaction code VF01. Billing document using transaction code VF01. VF01. The next one is incoming payments from customer using transaction code F-28. Incoming payments from customer. Incoming payments from customer using transaction code F-28. Okay, this is a whole process of the FI2 MM to SD. Okay, so we're going to see it. See, మనకి ఒక 2 పాయింట్స్ నీకు జస్ట్ అర్థమయ్యేలాగా చెప్తాను. మనం ఒక మెటీరియల్ తీసుకున్నాము, ఆ మెటీరియల్లోనే పర్చేస్ ఇన్ఫో రికార్డ్స్ అనేది ఇచ్చేసాము. ఎంత బయింగ్ ప్రైస్ అనేది 15,000 రూపీస్కి మాత్రమే ఇస్తున్నాము అండ్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 20,000 రూపీస్కి ఇస్తున్నాము బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ మెటీరియల్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు పర్చేస్ ఇన్ఫో రికార్డ్స్లో అన్ని అంటే పర్చేస్ ఆర్డర్స్ని క్రియేట్ చేసి చూపిస్తాము. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైమ్ సేల్స్ ఆర్డర్స్లో ఆటోమేటిక్గా పర్చేస్ ఇన్ఫోస్ని మెటీరియల్స్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని సేల్స్ ఆర్డర్స్ రెడీ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, సో ఈ పర్చేస్ ఇన్ఫో రికార్డ్స్ నువ్వు ఎంతైతే క్వాంటిటీలో కొనుక్కుంటున్నావు అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఒక 50 క్వాంటిటీస్ మెషిన్స్ కొన్నావు అనుకో పవన్, 50,000 రూపీస్ని పెట్టి. ఓకే, నువ్వు ఒక క్వాంటిటీని ఒక కస్టమర్కి నువ్వు సెల్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే ఒక మెషిన్నే 50లో ఒక మెషిన్నే నువ్వు అతనికి సేల్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇంకా నీ దగ్గర ఎన్ని మెషిన్స్ ఉంటాయి? 49 మెషిన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఆ 49 మెషిన్స్లో మనం ఎంఎంబిఏ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్ స్టాక్స్ని మనం చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో అలా బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ పర్చేస్ ఇన్ఫో రికార్డ్స్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఈ ప్రాసెస్ ఇలా రన్ అవుతుంది రియల్ టైంలో. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డూ ఈస్ కెన్ యూ గో టు ద ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్ ME21N. Go to the transaction code. So I will tell you all these things in English. Okay, so when it comes to the purchase info records and all, Okay, whatever the purchase info records that we have created based on the sales materials, I mean customer materials and all, we have already given the net book value, that is 15,000 rupees. And for the sales materials, we have given the 20,000 rupees. I mean, we will going to sell this material for 20,000 rupees. See, based on the purchase info records, whatever the purchase orders that we are maintaining in transaction code ME21N, automatically when it comes to the sales orders and all, we will sell one material, sorry, one machine to the particular customers based on the purchase info records. See, in the purchase info records, so if you I mean enter 50 records, 50 plant and sorry, 50 machines and all, okay, for 15,000 rupees. When it comes to the sales orders and all, when it comes to the post goods issues and all, so you are selling that material for 20,000 rupees. Okay, you are selling that machine for 20,000 rupees to the particular customer. Okay, so and after that, what we can do here automatically, when it comes to the MMBE transaction codes, okay, when it comes to the MMBE transaction codes and all, you will going to find out the stock reports. Okay, so based on these things, we will going to discuss some of the things. Can you go to the transaction code ME21N? We will going to create one purchase order. Go to the transaction code and take out your vendor. Take out your vendor and click on the enter. Give your organization, give your purchasing, give your company code data. Click on the enter. Go to the item overview. Now you can just enter. Okay, what is the 10? 10 is the item. And no need to give any asset account categories. Here, material is, take out that material, Pawan. No. Remove this thing. Go to that material. Oil refinery. Okay. Take out that one. And PO quantity is a 50 quantities. PO quantity is a 50, or else do one thing. Can you give 5 quantities? It is a 15,000 rupees, right? Okay. So no need to give any net prices and all, automatically it will come into the picture. And plant and storage location. Give plant and storage location. Can you click on the enter, Pawan? Automatically it will take the each and everything. Okay. Can you drag it to the left side? Drag it now. Okay. See here, 15,000 it has been taken, right? For the particular machines and all. Okay, you got the thing? All right. So then next, what we need to do here is, okay, have you given the storage locations and all, Pawan? Okay. No, right. Issues. So can you go to the check consistency? Okay, go to the check consistency. Check. Document is okay. Come down. No messages is during check, issued during check. Okay. What we need to do is, so we have entered this. Okay, what is the delivery date that we have? What is the delivery date that we have? It is within 1 day, right? I think so. Drag it to the right side. Left side, left side. Left. Okay, 05.12.2022. Okay, good. No issue. Okay. You do one thing. Can you go to the, I mean, we have to see the tax codes, Pawan. Can you go to the invoice? We will going to see the tax codes also. Invoice tab. Okay, this tax code is updated automatically. Okay, you got the thing? But previous sessions, we have to go to the domestic material management tax codes groups and all, and we need to update those tax codes in that thing. Okay, then only it will come. But when it comes to this purchase info records and all, we will going to maintain tax records in that ME11 transaction codes. Okay, can you go to the save button and save it, Pawan? Okay, can you go to the I mean document, sorry, display information? Take out this purchase order. Take out this purchase order and paste it in the Word document. Okay, this purchase order has been created. The next thing is we need to go to the goods receipt using transaction code MIGO. Can you go to the transaction code MIGO, Pawan? Go to the transaction code MIGO. MIGO. And what we need to do is here. This is not a material document. It is a purchase order. Take out the purchase order and take out the goods receipt. It is not a material document. Take out the goods receipt. No. Here, display. Display. Open that one. Take out goods receipt. Take out that thing. And give your purchase order that you have created. Give your plant. Go to the execute button. Okay, good. And next here, quantity in delivery note. You have received all quantity, right? That is PC. And click on the item. Click on the item. Okay. Can you click on the enter? Enter. Go to the check. Check. We will going to see whether we will going to get any errors or not. Okay. This document is okay. All right. Okay. Can you go to the post option? Post it. Okay. This document is also posted. Okay. Good. Can you go to the display option, Pawan? Go to the thing and paste it in the note. What Word document? Paste it in the Word document. Right, good. And then next, come back to this session and go to the display option. Here. Goods receipt display. Go to the execute button, enter or else. Okay. And what we need to do here is document information. Go to the document information. Here. Document information. Tab is there, right? Find a document information tab undi kada. Vendor document information. FI documents look vellu. Go to the FI documents. Okay, now you got the thing, right? Raw material inventory account data to the goods receipt or invoice receipt account creator. Okay, right, good. Can you give /n? Okay, go to the transaction code MIRO. Go to the transaction code MIRO. Invoice receipt. Okay. Give the invoice date 02.12.2022. 02.12.2022. Calculate tax. Okay, good. And give the text. Invoice receipt. Okay, right. And give the amount as 82,500 rupees. 82,500 rupees. Click on the enter. Enter. Now the document is okay, right? I think so. Okay. Go to the simulate option. Can you go to the simulate option? Okay. Now it is fine, right? And can you go to the post option? Post it. Post this document. Okay. And take out that document number and paste it in the Word document. See, Pawan, if you want to check all these things at purchase order level, okay, can you go to the invoice document? Go up. Invoice document display. Now what we need to do is here go to the FI entries and all. Follow on documents. Okay. So can you double click on this goods receipt or invoice receipt account? Now can you double click on this purchase documents and all, Pawan? Double click on this purchase document. Okay. Okay, here the purchase order history will be updated, Pawan. Okay, see now the thing, right? Okay, good, right, no issue. Based on the movement type, that is 101. You got the thing, right? Okay, good. Okay, what we need to do is, Pawan, can you go to the transaction code MMB? Can you go to the transaction code MMB to check the, can you take out the material, Pawan? Material. Hmm. No Alice Fonda. No, no, no. Take out that material number. Material number that you have created. ఇది కాదు పైన మెటీరియల్ ఉంది చూసావా? ఆ మెటీరియల్ తీసుకో. ఆహా ఇది కాదు మెటీరియల్ నువ్వు క్రియేట్ చేసాం కదా, ఆ మెటీరియల్ తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేసి, ఇక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేసి ఎంటర్ చేయి. గో టు ద ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ బటన్. Go to the execute button. Okay, now you got the thing, right? All the things you got it right. Okay, and this is the storage locations and all, and this is the stock overview of the oil refinery company. Okay, right. Can you give slash in? Can you give slash in? So I mean those are the unrestricted uses. Unrestricted uses means 5. మనం 5 అనేది ఇచ్చాం కదా పవన్, స్టాక్స్ పర్చేస్ ఆర్డర్ క్వాంటిటీ 5 అని ఇచ్చాం కదా. సో అవన్నీ ఇంకా మనం డెలివరీ చేయలేదు, ఏ గూడ్స్ ని కూడా మనం డెలివరీ చేయలేదు. సో ఇప్పుడు డెలివరీ చేసామనుకో, ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఒకటి డెలివరీ చేసామంటే అది ఒక 4, ఇంకొక 1 మిషన్ అనేది డిక్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది, అప్పుడు 4 వస్తాయి. ఓకే, అదే మనం ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్. See, if you sell the one machine to the particular customer, automatically when you come to this transaction code MMB, you will going to find out the decrease in stock. Okay, decreasement of stock and all right. So I will going to stop this recording here. Then we will going to see the sales orders, sales order creations, post goods issues and billing documents and all.